Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by readying CPM so GG can run reliably. Confirm the CPM release meets GG requirements, then enable the GG plugin in settings. Restart the service to load dependencies. Once done, make sure your API key is set, choose the working workspace, and import a small test dataset to validate permissions. You do this now because early validation catches credential and compatibility errors before you scale. This saves time and prevents mid-process failures, so act deliberately and verify each checkbox. You now run the core GG workflow inside CPM. Map your input columns to GG's required schema carefully, using sample rows to confirm types and field alignment. This prevents runtime mapping errors. Then configure execution parameters, batch size, timeout, and retry policy, because these control throughput and fault tolerance. Once configured, run a dry run to collect logs and detect warnings. After reviewing results and making any small adjustments, launch the full job so GG processes all records predictably and efficiently. You wrap up by validating GG outputs in CPM and ensuring they match expectations. Compare results to your baseline, snapshot the outputs for audit purposes, and then tune performance by increasing batch size or enabling more parallel workers if throughput is low. Once finished, archive the run configuration for repeatability. If things go wrong, check detailed logs first, then verify permissions and API limits, and rerun only the failed batches. This targeted troubleshooting keeps recovery fast and minimizes reprocessing of successfully completed data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.